Oh, look at that. You have to take the injection unit off the top and lay it down here. I didn't take my camera with me, unfortunately, so I didn't get any video of it. But basically just lift it off with the forklift, rotate it with its own lifting device, which I forgot to bring, but don't need at the moment. Yeah, lay it down on top in horizontal position, which it can be operated in. Clamp those to the tie bars, and that's where the nozzle goes through. So it can operate as a horizontal, it just can't accept a drop bin for parts. You can't have parts just dropping out continuously. But look at all these valves. Danfoss solenoid valves. What's that one rated to? Coil type. Yeah, probably 24 volt control, I think all this is. It's a Bosch regulator, water trap and solenoid valve to turn the pneumatics on. Hydraulic pressure gauge. This thing goes up to about 3,000 and something psi. The base is a tank. There's 135 litres of hydraulic fluid in there. All Parker hoses. Mannesmann Rexroth hydraulics, made in Austria. That's a big valve. That's one big solid purpose-made valve. I'm not going to show you too much of the tool, but the top half is still in here. I won't show you any details or company logos. I've got to remove that. There's the nozzle. It's all corroded because it's been using PVC, and PVC gives off chlorine when it burns. Even the heating band's shot. Yeah, that's the nozzle heating band, or what's left of it. Oh well, I don't really need that. Control, Unilog 1020, fairly common. I've got the manual, which is a nice thick folder. Screw back, I think. Oh, screw back purge, or something, yeah. Thankfully I got the book to tell me exactly what all that means. Even though I have done a fair bit of work with moulding machines, it just has different symbols to some of them. I know that's temperature zone. Yeah, I've got to get this thing off before we get too carried away. Yeah, 7.5 kilowatt ABB 3-phase motor. Can be wired for 220 volt delta. Yeah, which is very handy. That's I think it's a Venturi type hopper loader. Loads material granules through a Venturi type vacuum into the barrel. Master power. Yeah. Anyway, I think the poor old trailer's seen better days. You can see that this sheet is broken away a long time ago, but as soon as Terry dropped it on here with the forklift, like literally pulled the tines out, it just went thump. And yeah, those old angle irons aren't very happy. Mind you, they were bowed before that happened. I worked under this trailer a fair bit and I know it pretty well. It's strong, it's good, but yeah, it's a good thing I put new brakes on it. You can see the brand new backing plates and drum assemblies. I did all that. Put a new master cylinder, everything on it. This thing works really, really well. Just needs new tyres. They're all cracked and shot. They're not very good. It actually needs heavier duty ones. They're only passenger car tyres. It really needs light truck. I don't know, 13C commercial. Load index is probably a bit higher, but yeah. If you're going to carry heavy stuff, you want commercial or light truck tyres. I think that was from when Terry shunted it back a bit. There are going to be some grazes in this tray, unfortunately, just with the way it's buckled. And it's going to make getting it off even more interesting. I'm not going to say easy, but interesting. Anyway, there's a little bit of a preview and overview as we have it here. I'm going to focus more on getting it off safely than doing videos, I think, because this is pretty serious stuff. 1.5 tons. That's a lot of weight. Oh, there's some sprues from the die. It's just waste material that comes out. We'll go into detail on that later. And yeah, I don't have a power supply for that. Big It's all big, every bit of it. It only just clears the carport beams. I had to cut the ends off the door guides. I just got the 9-inch out and cut them off. They're only rails for the vertically sliding door. So it's all junk. And of course the weather turns to shit right as I'm about to unload. Fun.